In the Carmel, Indiana area, we had designed several different neighborhoods for Pulte Homes. This is one of them in Avon, Indiana, that we had planned. Now, one of the main benefits of this design is from the perimeter road is this idea of start introducing home fronts. Now we're pulling back the homes. This is a low area for detention ponding. So you've got a nice decorative ponds at homes front and rear. And then, as with all of our sites, as you come into the entrances, we flare the homes so you get this warm, welcome feeling. Now, this site and the entrance has branches off to another neighborhood. You can see that one-way lane to keep that traffic flow. And then to reduce the monotony of a long street, we add a little bit of curvature, but we also introduce a diffuser or island that helps break up the traffic and create an identity. Now, there's a mix of housing in this neighborhood. There's your traditional single family homes. And again, we use our clients' homes on all of our plans. When we know the builder, we ask for their plans, and each one of these homes, you can go into all of the rooms, you could go up the stairs, you could look out the windows, and with the software that we supply, Land Mentor software, we supply a viewer so that you can play the site like a video game. If you know how to play a video game, then you know how to use our software, and then you could go in and look out any of the windows. Now, most of these we also export into SketchUp, and I'm using Enscape here, and that allows us to create a video. So most of these are using Enscape, and both Land Mentor and Enscape, you could just plug in a set of VR headsets, go into the different rooms, and then feel the space. Now this one was a little bit unusual for us. Typically, we do not like circular streets that just keep on going. It just worked out because of the low area, the detention pond, the shape of the site, and dimensionally, we actually have a continuous curve that loops onto itself. You would rarely see that in our designs, but in this one, it just worked out geometrically that it was nice. Now you can see the coving here. We introduced, instead of a brow, we introduced an island that maintains flow, and that gives it character without breaking up the streetscape. And then as we zoom up, you could see this circular pattern. This is what I was talking about, is having a loop at the end that loops onto itself. You'll rarely see that with our planning, but in this case, you could see how that works. Now, see the one-way lanes on the intersections? That, again, keeps the flow of traffic. It's just more efficient that way. You'll see the tree line main trail, how it winds through the site. It goes through this oversized cul-de-sac, and then the one cul-de-sac, so that we can get some circulation, because obviously that's a very long cul-de-sac and wouldn't meet code. We did put a through street in there. Now, typically we would try to get away with a wide walk, but in this case, we decided the through street. And then you can see how this neighborhood all works and comes together. And that's should be mostly built today. And it was great. It's, Pulte's one of our dear clients, and it's great working with them.